Hi, and welcome back to Plating It with Wendy, where I share with you recipes which impress with ease. We're kicking off the new year with a Filipino classic, Chicken Adobo. This chicken recipe is quick and easy and perfect for an everyday meal. So let's get started. For this recipe, we're going to go in with 6 chicken thighs, which is approximately 2 pounds or about a kilogram. And you want to use the chicken thighs which have the bone in and skin on, because that adds to the flavor. We're first going to season it with some freshly cracked black pepper, about a teaspoon. And now we're going to add 4 garlic cloves which are finely minced. And now we're going to toss in 4 bay leaves. And next goes in half a cup of cane vinegar, or you could substitute it with rice wine vinegar or any vinegar that is not too tangy. And now to that we're going to add 1/3 cup of regular soy sauce. And we're also going to add 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce. Now let's flip the chicken pieces around and mix it with the seasonings. This is also a great prep ahead meal. You can marinate it and refrigerate it overnight for the best results. Okay, now this is looking perfect. So we're going to cover it up and allow it to marinate for 20 minutes. To a heated skillet, we're going to add about 2 tablespoons of oil. And we're going to take the chicken and shake off the liquid as much as we can. And then we're going to place it in the heated pot, skin side down. And now we're going to allow it to cook without touching it till we get a good sear on one side. And once you've seared it and got some good color on the skin, you're going to flip the chicken over and sear it on the other side. Okay, now that we've seared the chicken on both sides, we're going to take the pieces out and put them into a bowl. And we're going to continue cooking it later. Now to pick up all those flavors that the chicken has left behind, we're going to add in 1 small white onion which I've sliced. Just going to saute that a bit. And into that we're going to toss 4 garlic cloves which I've finely minced. Just going to saute that a bit once again. Okay, now that the onions have turned translucent and the garlic has cooked, we're going to add in the marinade that is left behind in the bowl. And now we're going to toss in 1 tablespoon of peppercorns. And now for a little sweet flavor, we're going to add 1/4 cup of brown sugar, or if you have cane sugar, that would work perfect. And we're going to add 1.5 cup of water. And we're just going to give this a stir and deglaze the pan. We're going to allow it to cook till it comes to a gentle simmer. And now that it's come to a gentle simmer, we're going to add the chicken bits back in, and this time we're going to keep the skin facing upwards. And we're going to pour in all those juices that was left behind in the bowl as well. Now we're going to lower the heat and cover it up and allow it to cook for 20 minutes. Then we're going to take off the lid and continue cooking it for another 10 minutes, by which time the chicken will have cooked and the gravy would have thickened. And now that the chicken has cooked and our gravy has reduced, we're going to switch off the heat and garnish it with some finely chopped green onion. Now let's take it off the stove and plate it up. Oh my goodness, look at that. And now it's time to give the chicken adobo a taste. But before we do that, if you're new to my channel or haven't subscribed already and love to try out recipes that turn out right every time, you're at the right place. So go ahead, press that subscribe button, and while you're at it, if you hit the bell icon, you'll be the first to get notified every time I upload a new video. Okay, now let's give the chicken a taste. Wow, I'm so excited. It's looking absolutely delicious. And it's best eaten with some rice. Taking a piece of the chicken, and we've got the rice. Look at that. Wow, this chicken is absolutely amazing. It's got the right balance of the tang from the vinegar and the sweet from the onions and the sugar. I hope you give this recipe a try because you're going to love it. So hop onto my website, platingitwithwendy.com, or you can hit on the link in the description box below for the full written recipe. Thanks for watching. See you soon.